Have you ever wanted to create Minecraft animation like YouTubers without spending any money? In this video, I will show you exactly how to download and install Mine-imator in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Okay, first you want to choose your browser and search Mine-imator download and skip first link. Go to the second link, Mine-imator 2.02 here. Now official website is open. Here's the links for window installer, for Ubuntu Linux is there, Mac OS, and if you want to donate Mine-imator, so click here. I want to only download Mine-imator, so I click Windows, and after some time it's start to download, and go to the folder and click open. And then if you pop up this, read all the agreement and I accept the agreement, click next. And here's the file location you want to select, where the file location is here, and click next, and click create a desktop shortcut and create next, and just click the install. Here the extracting files are start, and now it's done. Just click fresh. Okay, so Mine-imator is open. After few time Mine-imator is open. Make a new project. I just make a new project and click here new project. Here's the project name you want to give title and create project. Here's the workspace where you start your animation, and here I just click preference and go to the darker light is up. And if you want to upgrade your Mine-imator is simple to advanced, so in the next video I will tell you about this. If this video helped you, consider subscribing, because this is only the beginning. In the next part, we will explore the Mine-imator interface and learn whatever tools does. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.